नमस्कार. प्रुडंटाच्या या खासा कार्यावळीन तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. सध्या पणजेन सायन्स फेस्टिवल सुरू आसा आणि त्याच निमतान आमी येवन पावला आयनॉक्स हांगासर. ह्या सायन्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान आयनॉक्स कोर्टयार्डान एक्झिबिशन्स जावं, एक्टिविटीज जावं, वर्कशॉप्स जावं सुरू आशिल्ले आमी पळयतात. सो ओनूचे हे ह्या सायन्स फेस्टिवलाचे 10वें वर्स. यंदाचो हो विज्ञान महोत्सव जैव विविधतेचे पितामह म्हणून ज्यांची वळख आसा ते शास्त्रज्ञ डॉक्टर MS स्वामीनाथन हांकां समर्पित आसा. आणि ह्या वर्साचे ह्या सायन्स फेस्टिवलाचे घोशवाक्य सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार इन्स्पायर सायन्स थ्रू फिल्म्स. सो ह्या सायन्स फेस्टिवलाच्या निमतान अनेक जी सायन्स बेस्ड फिल्म्स आसा ती हांगा भुरग्यांक पळोवपाक मेळटली. दर वर्सा गोंयभरांतल्यान 6,000 परस चड भुरगीं हे सायन्स फेस्टिवल पळोवपा खातीर पणजेन येतात. सो अंदूच्याय वर्सा व्हडा संख्येन ही भुरगीं हांगा पणजेन आयिल्लीं आसात. हांगा सायन्स फेस्टिवलाचो आनंद घेतात, विविध प्रोजेक्ट्स जावं ते पळयतात. सो ह्या वर्सा ह्या सायन्स फेस्टिवलान कितें वेगळे पळोवपाक आमकां मेळटले ते आमी ह्या खासा कार्यावळींतल्यान तुमच्या मुखार दवरतली.
Aim of this particular seminar or whatever you call it, event, is to inculcate the concept of Indian knowledge system and how it is correlated with the modern life, especially when today selfishness is increasing everywhere and सब जगह स्व का जो प्राबल्य है ये हमारे सिस्टम में नहीं था. भारतीय संस्कृति बहुत अलग थी. इस संस्कृति में वसुधैव कुटुंबकम ऐसा नारा दिया था. इसका मतलब है द होल वर्ल्ड इज माय हाउस. इफ द होल वर्ल्ड इज माय हाउस, व्हाई योर हाउस इज सो डर्टी when your actual house where you stay is very clean? So this is a very simple question I would like to ask the younger generation, and the answer lies into the जो थोड़ा आत्मज्ञान है वो थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है. I don't mean that everybody should be आध्यात्मिक or should be God after God, but basically what life you have got, that life is to be utilized properly. There is a purpose of your coming onto this earth. That purpose is to make this earth more beautiful than when we came. So in Marathi we call it शेवटचा दिवस गोड व्हावा, यासाठी केला होता अट्टहास. So that is a very simple philosophy. I live with it. And I will like to inculcate that in our future generation, and I am very happy with the progress, because although things look little bleak, I am a very positive person, and I would like to give that positivity to people. Events like this through science is the only way you can make them aware. Science is the only route which can really is a sustainable route. Okay, so that's why I look at science festivals as very important festivals.
हो अंदू 10th एडिशन ऑफ सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवल. ताका सायफी ह्या नांवान आमी गोंयांत तो प्रसिद्ध आसा. तर ह्या सायफीत बिगिनींग सुरवात जाली 2016 साली, आणि तेन्नाच्यान आमची ही एक्टिविटी चालू आसा कंटिन्युअसली. ही एक्टिविटी युनीक कित्याक देशा भितर, तर हातून फिचर फिल्म आणि तातूंतले कन्सेप्ट, सायंटिफीक कन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करपा खातीर म्हणून आमी सायंटिस्टांक आपयतात. थोडे सायंटिस्ट भायले असतात रिप्युटेड, आणि थोडे मागीर आमच्याही गोंयांत खुबशे सायंटिस्ट आसात. तांकांय एक इंटरॅक्शन करपाक चान्स मेळटा. आणि अशा पद्दतीन भुरग्यांच्या पर्यंत सायन्स पावोवचे, नवे नवे कन्सेप्ट कितें डेवलप जातात ते पावोवचे, हाज्या खातीर म्हणून हो आमचो प्रयास आसा. सर्वसाधारण प्रत्येक वर्साक 6 ते 7,000 भुरगे, स्कूल स्टुडंट्स आणि हायर सेकंडरीचे, कॉलेजचे असे हे प्रत्यक्ष येतात. ताज्या भायर मागीर अदर विजिटर्स असतात, टिचर्स असतात. म्हणजे ह्या जाग्यार आनी वेगवेगळे वर्कशॉप करतात, हँड्स ऑन एक्टिविटीज आसा. म्हणजे स्कील हे फार महत्वाचे आसा न्ही हातूंत भितर. आतां सायन्स म्हणटा ते स्किलाचेर बेस्ड आसता, तातूंतल्यान टेक्नॉलॉजी डेवलप जाता न्ही फुडें, म्हणून ताजे खातीर आमी ताजेर खूब भर दितात. आणि स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटाक ते वर्कशॉप्स असतात, कितें ते एक्टिविटी असतात. जशें अंदूच्या वर्सा एक व्हडली एक्टिविटी आसा, ताजें नांव सायफी चॅलेंज अशें आसा. तातूंत 3 प्रकारचे इलेक्ट्रॉनीक गॅजेट्स जे शेतान वापरपाक मेळटा नाजाल्यार भायर वापरपाक मेळटा, अशा पद्दतीचे भुरगे ते असेंबल करतले आनी मागीर घरा व्हरतले. 100 भुरगे ही एक्टिविटी करतले. विच वील बी अ सायमल्टेनियस एक्टिविटी. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लायक अ रेकॉर्ड. एकाच जाग्यार एकाच टायमार इतल्या भुरग्यांनी करप. ताजे भायर हांगा एक व्हडलो एक स्पेशल कार्यक्रम आसा, तो म्हळ्यार स्टुडंट सायन्स विलेज. सर्वसाधारणता कितें जाता की पेरिफेरल तालुका आमचे म्हळ्यार पेड्डे म्हणा, सत्तरी किंवा सांगे, काणकोण हातूंतल्या भुरग्यांक मेन सिटीन येवपाक चान्स मेळना आनी तातूंत लॅबॉरेटरीज किंवा नवीन टॅक्निक्स हे सगळे करपाक मेळना. म्हणून तांचे खातीर 3 दिसाचो आमी डिवोटेड वर्कशॉप करतात. आनी तातूंत तांचे अंदूचे आतां हे भुरगे आसतले ते सॉलीड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट सालिगांव थंय वतले आनी तशेंच एनआयओक विजीट करतले, ICARाक विजीट करतले. अशा पद्दतीन ताका सायन्सीची मातशी गोडी तयार जावची म्हूण आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. ताजे भायर आमचो दुसरो व्हडलो एक्सपो आसा, म्हळ्यार एक्झिबिशन. आनी तातूंत गोंयांत जितले इनोवेशन्स जाल्ल्यो आसात किंवा भुरग्यांनी सायन्स प्रोजेक्ट्स केल्या ताका नॅशनल लेवलाचेर प्रायजीस मेळ्ळ्यात, अशे सगळ्यांचो डिस्प्ले आसा. ताजे भायर NIO, मागीर NCPOR, ICAR आनी अशे इवन मुंबयचे IIT मुंबय ह्या सगळ्यांनी भाग घेतला तो. आनी एक सुंदर एक्सपो आसा की काल स्वता चीफ मिनिस्टरान ताजे बद्दल खूब अशें म्हळ्यार ताका आनंद जालो आनी ताका आवडलें जें आमी केल्या तें. आनी हो प्रयत्न अखेरेस कितें आसा की भुरग्यांक सायन्सा कडेन आकृश्ट करून घेवचें.
The 10th edition of Science Film Festival 2025, and as a pre-activity under SciFi 2025, we visited 84 schools across the Goa. This year the theme for pre-SciFi activity, since it was the birth centenary year of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, so we had taken this topic, Green Revolution, and we covered 84 schools across the Goa. Under this pre-SciFi activity, total number of students who attended this program was more than 6,500, and from across the Goa, 32 resource persons, which includes the scientists, professors from Goa University. They were the key resource person who interacted with the students. All the students, we have invited them to visit this 4 days Science Film Festival, which is being held from 29 to 1st of February at ESG Complex, Benji.
We are from National Center for Polar and Ocean Research. It's a research institute under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It's located at Adland, Sadavasco. So here we are participating in the SciFi 2025. We are also we have set up a stall and we are showcasing the Indian national polar programs. So NCPR is a nodal agency that organizes expeditions to the polar regions, Antarctic, Arctic, Southern Ocean, and we have a tripolar activities. Besides polar region, we also work in Himalayas and Indian Oceans. So NCPR is a nodal agency for the EEZ project also, and here as a part of SciFi, we are trying to connect this. We are trying to bridge the gap between the science and society. We are interacting with the students. We have some models. We have these posters through which we are showcasing the Indian endeavors in the polar regions, because it's very important to understand, to make the people aware, especially the students, how the Indian scientists are taking the challenge to visit the extreme environments and working in that environment. For example, for Antarctica, it's very interesting to know that India is in Antarctica since 1981. So this year we have launched 44th expeditions, and it's continuously that we are sending expeditions to Antarctic. In fact, one of the veterans of Antarctic expedition is a Vigyan Parishad Vice President, Mr. Dr. Pai, and there are other people also who have participated, and it is there are many institutes across the India who are participating in these expeditions. So here we are, and this is our one of the highlight of the stall, you can say. This is a virtual reality where we are showcasing the Antarctica, because we cannot take all the people to Antarctica. So that's why we are taking the short thing of Antarctic to the people, so that they can understand how the Indian scientists are going to Antarctica, what are the challenges, and how amazing it is to be in the continent, and what is the importance of going to Antarctic or Arctic. So that's the thing, that with that objective we are participating in this science Sci-Fi 2025, so that we can connect to maximum students and general public, and connect them, make them aware about what India is doing in the polar regions.
Myself, Meg Sodambi. I'm from Sri Ganesh Higher Secondary, Ganeshpuri, Mapsa, and I just experienced the Antarctica. It was very beautiful. At the night, the stars we can see very clearful, free pollutions. It was just amazing.
You feel like going there?
Yes,
Okay, and what you would like to say about this festival?
this festival, it's amazing. It's like cool, like all robotics. We can try and we can do it myself or others.
You are visiting this festival for first time?
Yes, this is my first time here.
हम सेंट्रल सिल्क बोर्ड सिल्क मार्क ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया मुंबई से तरफ से आए हैं और ये पर्टिकुलर ये स्टॉल अवेयरनेस के लिए है। हमें पता है हम सब सिल्क यूज़ करते हैं और हमारे ओकेजन्स के लिए हम हर ओकेजन्स के लिए हम सिल्क यूज़ करते हैं, पर हम जब बाय करते हैं सिल्क हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि वो ऑथेंटिक सिल्क है या नहीं, तो हम कैसे पहचानेंगे वो। तो उसके लिए ये सिल्क मार्क लेबल, ये एक ऐसा लेबल है जो ऑथेंटिसिटी प्रोवाइड करती है एक सिल्क प्रोडक्ट के लिए। तो ये जब रहेगा ये सिल्क मार्क लेबल ऑन सिल्क प्रोडक्ट, तो कस्टमर के लिए जेन्युइनिटी रहेगा कि दे आर बाइंग अ प्योर सिल्क मटेरियल एंड द प्योर सिल्क मटेरियल इज ऑथेंटिक सिल्क प्रोडक्ट। तो इसमें हमारे 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सिल्क्स आते हैं, उसमें है मलबेरी, टसर, एरी एंड मुगा। दिस 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सिल्क्स आर द प्योर सिल्क मटेरियल्स एंड दे आर ऑल फाउंड इन द इन इंडियन रीजन। Mulberry, 90% of Indian market is covered by mulberry. Baki Tassar, Eri and Muga, these 3 are called wild silks. Wild silks in the sense these are called also one-year silks, only found in the wild regions. And the Muga silk is only found in Assam, and it's very costliest and richest silk found in the whole world.
साइफी 2025 में आके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इससे पहले मैं साइफी 2023 में आई थी। हालांकि ये बहुत अच्छा जरिया है कि साइफी के थ्रू हम सिल्क मार्क का अवेयरनेस कर रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट के लिए भी कर रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट को नॉलेज भी हो रहा है इसके लिए, और सिल्क मार्क क्या है वो भी हम डिटेल उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं। तो आशा करती हूँ कि आगे भी जब भी सैफी प्रोग्राम करें सेंट्रल सिल्क बोर्ड को इनवाइट करता रहे।
आमी हांगा आमचे स्टॉल लायला। आमचे CSR NION ह्या वर्सा 60 इयर्स कंप्लीट केले, डायमंड जुबली कंप्लीट केले। सो आमी ह्या स्टॉलान लायक आउटरीच एक्टिविटीज दाखोवपाक सोदता, यंग मायंड्साक एट्रॅक्ट करपाक टुवर्ड्स ओशनोग्राफी, टुवर्ड्स क्लायमेट चेंज, किंवा आमी कितें करता, वॉट टायप ऑफ वर्क वी डू इन NIO ते दाखोवपाक आमी ह्या स्टॉलाक हे स्टॉल एज अ माध्यम आमी यूज केला की कसले एक्टिविटीज आमच्या NIOन चलतात।
This year we are celebrating 60 years of our National Institute of Oceanography, and this time we have a very special connection with the exhibition as we are presenting the living and non-living resources. So in the living resources we have small seaweeds, micro and macro algae, and then sea animals also, and how we are using the non-living resources from the ocean for the benefit of the society. So our motto is understanding the sea, and it's 60 years we are continuously doing more and more research and development in this area.
having this stall for promoting our competitions, school competition. So currently we are running Virtual Museum 6, which is an history competition where we teach them 3D modeling, photogrammetry, how to do research, storytelling. So students from grade 6 to 12 can participate in this competition. And these are the artifacts that we are sure they will be able to design. So from basic, we'll take an artifact, we'll learn about the history, and we'll showcase it. And this time, if the finale winners can come to IIT Bombay for symposium. So this is one competition. There are other 2 competitions that we are running: Game Inventor and the Interpret Explorer. In Game Inventor, we teach them Python programming and how to build games. And Interpret Explorer, we are teaching them how to build robot and basics of robotics. And it's in a virtual environment. The competitions are completely online. It will happen for 3 to 4 months. So that way we teach them, and then there's a certain task that they have to do, and it will happen. Let's say we'll have give live sessions. We'll give all the resources, videos, and one-on-one discussion. There's a discussion forum online where students can post their query, and we'll answer to it. This is for schools, and then is our colleges. Same for colleges, we are doing EYRC, which is a robotic competition, and there is EYIC, which is an innovation challenge. In EYRC, we are teaching different technical stack such as ROS, drones, control systems and stuff. And this is an 6 to 8 months long competition where we, same as school competition, where there's stages where we'll teach them the content and they will complete the task. And for finale, they'll be coming to IIT Bombay, and we'll give there's a EASAP program. There's a 6-week summer internship program. In EYIC, it's more related into entrepreneurship development. We teach them how to create a business pitch, how to find a problem statement, problem solving, that kind of technical skills and soft skills we teach them in EYIC. And same, they'll come for finale, for symposium, they'll showcase their final products. And then we do lab setup for schools. There's a lab setup here in which we'll go to school, we'll set up a lab, and there's a 3 days workshop that is happening. And there's a 2 months long MOOC course that we give them, and with that they can learn at their own pace and submit, and there's a discussion support. And this is the lab setup that is for colleges. Same thing, we set up a lab, we'll train the faculties and students, and the students again they teach the junior students. That is the idea of it. And there's a drone in the box setup, and there's a mobile robotics also. These are the stuff we do in Yantara.
PME विद्याचा आसा हो एक डिजिटल इनिशिएटिव्ह आसा. आमच्या एज्युकेशन, गोयच्या एज्युकेशन सिस्टम जी आसा ही प्रत्येक घरातल्या प्रत्येक भुरग्यापर्यंत डिजिटली पावची असो एक गव्हर्मेंटाचो जो हेतू आसा. हेतूंतल्यान हे सगळे 5 TV चॅनल्स जे आसात ते आमकां गोंया खातीर अलॉट जाल्ले आसा. ग्रेड 1 टू ग्रेड 12 मेरेन आमी डिजिटल कंटेंट जो आसा, प्रत्येक सिलेबस जो आसा हो आमी डिजिटली क्रिएट करतात, आणि तो क्रिएट केल्या उपरांत आमी तो टेलिकास्ट करतात. हो इनिशिएटिव्ह जो आसा हो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान सुरू केला आणि गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचो एका तेको आसा. आणि ह्या हेतूंतल्यान आमी गांवांतल्या भुरग्यांपर्यंत क्वॉलिटी एज्युकेशन पावपा खातीर हो जो इनिशिएटिव्ह जो आसा तो सुरू केला. आमच्या कडेन SCRT एज्युकेशन जे आसा ह्या जाग्याचेर आमचो स्टुडिओ आसा, एडिटींग रूम आसा, ज्या जाग्याचेर हे सगळे व्हिडिओज रेकॉर्ड जातात, एडिट जातात. आणि आमच्या बायसेक म्हणून जी गुजराताक संस्था आसा ती हे सगळे चॅनल जे आसा ते लायव्ह टेलिकास्ट करतात. चॅनल नंबर DD फ्री डिश जो आसा तेजे चॅनल नंबर 73 to 77 मेरेन हे अवेलेबल आसात. आमच्या SCRTचे यूट्यूब चॅनल जे आसा तेजे ह्या चॅनलांचे तेजेर ते अवेलेबल आसात. आणि हे सगळे गोंयच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यां खातीर केन्नाय पळोवपा खातीर ओपन आसा.
आमचे स्टॉल आमी विद्या समीक्षा केंद्राचे हांगा सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक हाडिल्ले आसा. आणि ह्या स्टॉलाचे मेन ऑब्जेक्टीव म्हटल्यार हांगा येयल्ल्या प्रत्येक भुरग्याक आमच्या विद्या समीक्षा केंद्रान कितें चल्लां तें सांगपाचो आमी हांगा यत्न करता. विद्या समीक्षा केंद्र हे नवीन शैक्षणिक धोरण 2020 ध्येयपूर्ती खातीर एक डेटा ड्रिवन डिजिटल मेकॅनिझम म्हणून 2023 पासून गोंय सरकाराक वावुरता. विद्या समीक्षा केंद्राच्या स्विफ्ट चॅट ह्या ॲपाचेर प्रामुख्यान परख आणि टीचर्स अटेंडन्स तशेंच FLN बेस्ड निपूण हे ॲप्स भुरग्यांक संपूर्ण शिक्षकांक समर्थ आणि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरांक सक्षम करपा खातीर खूब महत्वाचो रोल प्ले करता. परत ह्या चॅटबॉटाचेर वीकली जे कॉम्पिटन्सी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन्स येतात ते हर एक भुरग्याक 9वी ते 1ली पर्यंतच्या हर एक भुरग्याक आपले कॉम्पिटन्सी बेस्ड लर्निंग आउटकम बेस्ड असेसमेंट करपाक खूब व्हडली संद दिता. आनी ह्या एपाचो हांव प्रत्येक भुरग्याक आनी पालकांक एक रिक्वेस्ट करता की तांच्यांनी ह्या एपाची आपल्या भुरग्यांक उपलब्ध करून दिवन भुरग्यांच्या प्रगती खातीर तांकां मदत करपाची.
We are at the VSK stall today at the Science Film Festival in Goa. The idea is to promote digital literacy amongst our students of Bharat, and we try to do that via very lot of solutions, digital solutions, and we promote them through our app, which is the SwiftChat app, and we have the Parak chatbot there, which gives weekly questions and to students from which they can practice. And not just that, it has a lot of chatbots from which students can practice English, Grammar Guru, we have English comprehension, and they can also play games and learn while doing it. So we have Engage section, and we also have Spelling Bee and GK challenge. The idea is, how do we give our students a safe space for digital learning, so that not only are they progressing in their education, but they are also safe while doing it. So that is our idea here.
टीम टेक इन्फिनिटींतल्यान तर आमी FTC नांवाच्या कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट करता. तर FTC म्हळ्यार फर्स्ट टेक चॅलेंज, आनी ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीन आनी एक गोश्ट येता ती म्हळ्यार स्टेम एज्युकेशनाची गोश्ट आसा ती. तर स्टेम म्हळ्यार सायन्स, टेक्नॉलॉजी, इंजिनियरींग एंड मॅथमॅटिक्स. तर आतां आमी हें कित्याक करता, जिखपा खातीर आमी हें करतातूच, पूण जेन्ना आमी हो रोबोट बिल्ड करता, जेन्ना आमी ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट करता, तेन्ना खुबशे आमकां प्रॉब्लम्स येता. आतां आमी रोबोट बिल्ड करता म्हणटकूच आमकां खुबशे प्रॉब्लम आयले तातूंत. कोडिंगान आमकां प्रॉब्लम आयलो, तर तो कसो सॉल्व करप, तातूंतल्यान आमी कितें शिकता, तो आमी कसो सॉल्व केलो हें कशें आमी नोट डावन करून दवरप, ह्याच्या वयल्यान आमकां आमची जी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्कील आसा ती वाडटा. तर तशेंच आमी आतां आउटरीच करता वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यांचेर. तर आमी आतां सायफायान येयल्लेली आसा. तशेंच आमी ऑडियन्सा वांगडा उलोवन तांकां कनेक्ट करून आमच्या वांगडा तो आमचो कॉन्फिडन्स वाडटा. तर ही आमकां फ्युचरा खातीर सुद्दां खूब हेल्पफूल गोश्ट आसा FTC. आनी तशेंच आमी आतां वेगवेगळ्या स्कुलांनी आउटरीच घेतात, आमचें चालू आसा तें काम. तर तशेंच आमी फुडल्या भुरग्यांक शिकयतात, ती मागीर आमच्या जाग्यार येवन ती फुडें शिकयतली, तशेंच तेंचेंय नांव वाडटलें आनी आमचो गोंयूय खंयचो ना खंयचो तरी फुडें येतलो. गोंय जरी धाकटो आसलो तरी तो व्हडलो जातलो एक ना एक दीस. सो आमी ट्राय करता.
We are the students of Sanjay Center for Special Education Goa. We are going to participate in the first tech challenge in Pune. So this is a robot built by a team which is design, build and program. So we are going to participate, and our team is mixed of hearing impaired and are slow learner. So there will be game. There will be two teams. In the two teams there will be two robots called as Blue Alliance and Red Alliance. So basically the robot has to do just pick the spins and put it in the basket. Upper basket has the 8 points and the lower basket has the 4 points.
We will be participating in the first tech challenge that will be held in Pune. So we are training the students for the last 2 months. So in robotics, it's not about only the playing of the game, but other factors like their self-confidence, the teamwork, problems solving skills are also come into that. Our children have lot of difficulty, so this competition will help them to overcome their difficulties. So, and we are basically working towards our best. We are practicing every Sunday after school so that we can do very well in the FTC that will be coming in the Feb.
The science festival is very good for like the young minds, and still till now we have seen this model which is made by the children of 7th, 8th and 9th. Very innovative and good for learning for the young mind.
Very inspiring about the story of the biopic of the Stephen Hawking, who had discovered the black hole. And now this young generation also is now improving their all the skills, scientific also. Now in this time they are learning this much, then they grew up, they will get a new experience, new things they will try to make in this such a small age. Like now they are like 5th or 9th they are. So it is very inspiring for them the future also.
सायन्स फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक आयले आमी हांगा फ्रॉम धेंपे हायर सेकंडरी. पयलीं आमकां मुवी स्क्रिनींग आशिल्लें वेर लायफ ऑफ थेरी ऑफ एवरीथींग बाय मुवी बेस्ड ऑन द लायफ ऑफ स्टीफन हॉकिंग. खूब बरी आशिल्ली, भुरग्यांनी एन्जॉय केलें. आतांच्या भुरग्यांक हाची गरज आसा. आनी मागीर आमी जे स्टॉल्स पळयता तो फर्स्ट स्टॉल्स आमी पळयला तातूंत भुरग्यांनी बेज रोबोटिक्साचेर एक एक्सपेरिमेंट म्हणजे तयार केला. खूब बरें आसा, भुरग्यांनी खूब एफर्ट्स घेतले, बरें दिसता पळोवन खरेंच. आणि भुरग्यांक हांव ऑल द बेस्ट म्हणटा.